Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add blank screen in CapCut. So if you want to do that, just place your mouse or your moving cursor. You can see the tracking cursor. You're moving it, just place it in between where you want to have the blank screen. So in this video I'm going to place it here. Once I do that, you can see this cursor, this particular line is at the point where I want to insert my blank screen. So I'll come here and click on split. Good. You can see something like a demarcation that shows that something has happened on this particular timeline. So I'm just going to drag this. You can see as I'm dragging it, this is keep coming back. I'm trying to drag it, this keep coming back. It's because reason this is happening because a specific option needs to be turned off, which is tracking. So you bring your mouse here and make sure you turn this off. Turn off main track magnet. Once you turn it off, then you'll be able to create a blank screen in between the timeline. Then in between this, from this edge and here, there is a blank screen. So let's see how it works. You see? And that's it. So also start here. That is it. That is how to add blank screen in CapCut. If you find this helpful, like and follow for more.